Why choose vegan snacks?
Vegan snacks are a tasty way to boost your nutrition while supporting your health and the environment. They can be packed with fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats, while also being free from animal products. Whether you're fully vegan or just looking to add more plant-based options, these snacks can fit any lifestyle and bring variety to your daily routine.
Simple sweet vegan snacks.
For a quick sweet fix, try apple slices with almond butter, dates stuffed with peanut butter or frozen grapes, fresh fruit with a sprinkle of cinnamon, homemade energy bites with oats and cocoa, or dairy-free yogurt topped with berries all make satisfying and wholesome snacks that both kids and adults love, all without any animal ingredients.
Savory vegan snack ideas.
Satisfy your savory cravings with snacks like roasted chickpeas, hummus, and veggie sticks, or air-popped popcorn dusted with nutritional yeast. Avocado on whole grain toast, rice cakes with salsa, or edamame with a sprinkle of sea salt provide protein and fiber, all while keeping prep simple and cleanup easy.
Grab-and-go store-bought vegan snacks.
Need a snack on the move? Many store-bought options are vegan-friendly. Try trail mix, nut and seed bars, vegetable chips, or seasoned seaweed snacks. Check labels for animal ingredients. But most supermarkets now carry clearly labeled vegan goodies that save you time while delivering flavor and nutrition wherever you are.
Tips for smarter snacking.
Keep healthy vegan snacks on hand by prepping servings in advance or storing ready-to-eat options in your bag. Pair proteins with complex carbs for longer energy, like nut butter on fruit or veggies with bean dip. Experiment with herbs and spices to boost flavor. With a little planning, you can turn snacking into a nourishing, enjoyable habit.